How to add blur on videos in Canva. To get started, you will have to log onto Canva. I will actually leave you a link for this down below, and then simply just click on create a design right here and then open up the video function. Now, in this case, I'm just going to upload a random test video, and I'm now going to show you how to actually add a blur onto this. To actually do this, you will have to head over to the elements right here on the left, and then simply just click on search elements and look up blur right here. So I will just select see all, and then you're going to see a variety of different elements which you can actually use for this. In this case, I guess I will just go for this one right here. Actually, you can also use this one. This is just going to come down to your personal preferences, and I can then actually blur out certain parts of the video. I can also change the color by using this picker right here, and additionally, if you do want to actually change the duration of this blur, you can also do this by simply just right clicking on this, and then you will have to click on show timing. Now this is going to basically show up right here, and we can then actually change the duration of this. So as you can see, now this wouldn't show up for the first couple of seconds, and then after a couple of seconds this is actually going to then show up. You can then actually also animate this, so just click on animate right here, and then you're going to have a lot of different options. Now this is basically going to come down to your personal preferences, but I personally really like this fade option right here.